Hello, guys. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Spot, where we supply you with the good news. As today we are talking about the good news, you can see the African football, the South African football that we know is a winning team. I think this is what we need as Kaizer Chiefs: happiness. So Kaizer Chiefs management and players, they owe us happiness as fans, because all the time, even if they are not winning, we are always there. We are always supporting our team. Even in our street, we try to defend our team as Kaizer Chiefs. So, and the other thing that I want to talk about is Shabalala, the position that the coach is playing him. I know he's a coach, he knows what to do, but I wish what I can say to him, it can come to his ears. If we can put Ushabalala on the left side, guys, I think we will win a lot of games if we can play Ushabalala on the left side, because this guy is skillful. He can take 1v1 player. He's good at attacking. He's good. He's very quick. And on the left side, we need someone who's very quick, guys. We don't need someone who's lazy. We need a quick player. If you have a quick player, someone who can control the ball, look at his skills, and he's attacking on the left side. So we need someone like him who can take 1v1. Look at him, look at his position. You can see that on the left side is dangerous, but when they put him in number 10 position, he's not good as he is, because he's limited. You can see that if he's playing in center attacking midfielder, is limited. He is not so skillful. He cannot do what he's supposed to do. So I think the coach must see and then make him play in number 11 on the left side. That's where we're going to see a lot of goals. Modi must rest a little bit. He must stay as a substitute so that he can learn, because he's starting to be selfish as well. He doesn't pass and he doesn't score. He has a bad luck when it comes to score. So I think he has to rest and then read the game so that when it comes to him, he can understand what he needs to do. And then let's come to Vilagaz. Vilagaz, if he can play on number 10, I think he's going to show us his